boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And you know what? I have some special helpers today. I have Mr. Carter.
Hi.
And Miss Emily.
Hi.
And I have Miss Christiana.
Hi.
And Mr. Sebi.
Hi.
Who's ready to cook?
Me.
Oh, boys and girls, are you ready to learn some cooking ideas? You know what? We have an awesome recipe for you today. We're going to do Italian stuffed shells. But you know what? I think they look more like little boats. What do you think? Look at this. We have some shells, and then we're going to make a filling, and we're going to stuff them. But it kind of looks like a boat, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we could call them stuffed boats, too, if we wanted. What do you think? Okay, we're going to fill these in just a little bit, but you each are going to work on filling, okay? So you two will work together on a filling, and you two will work together. Emily, let me put this a little bit closer to you, okay? All right, we're going to start with, you each get some water-packed tofu, and I've already opened them because, what did I say they were packed in?
Water.
Yeah, we don't want all that water in our filling. So we're going to dump that in your bowl. And now can you guys take your mashers and you want to mash this up really good. Get yours, Christiana.
Can I do it?
You both can do it. Move over a little bit, Carter, and that way Emily can fit hers in. Mash really good, guys. Up and down, squish it good. You don't want any big lumps, boys and girls. You wanna have it nice and mashed up, okay? It'll be little tiny pieces. Because you don't want to bite into a big piece of tofu, do you?
No.
How's it doing? Oh, get way down. Let's see, you guys, did you get all the way to the bottom? You got some big piece right there, guys. Look. Oh, big muscles, big muscles. Who knew that cooking in the kitchen you'd have to have big muscles? Oh, you want me to help you? Let me show you. Let's go. Here, let me help you. Here, Carter, hold this. See, look how I'm just kind of wiggling and see how it squishes through? See how it's squishing through the holes? Oh, that's how you do. Just kind of press real hard and then wiggle, okay? There, yours is almost done. Finish that up, Carter. How's yours coming, guys? Let me look. Here, Christiana. Oh, you guys have done good over here. Yours is done. Let me just mix to the bottom and make sure. See how you take your scraper like this? There we go. Yours is done. Okay, now you want to just get all that off, okay? And you know what? You take this to the sink for me, Sebi. Take those to the sink. Oh, good catch. That was awesome. Okay, let me see yours. Whoa. Let's see. You got... Okay. Good job. Okay, Carter, you want to take these to the sink to me? Because we want to try and keep our workspace clean, right? That makes it nice.
Wait,
okay. Yeah, no, not yet. We got to make our filling. You're excited to stuff those, aren't you, Emily? Yes. Okay, now what you're going to need is put in your tofutti cream cheese.
I need some.
Boys, you can help. You can help them, okay. And then you're going to need a half a cup of the breadcrumbs. Boys, you want to measure out a half a cup of breadcrumbs. And Emily, you can put all the spinach in. And Christiana, you can put all the spinach in. And this was frozen, a package of frozen spinach, boys and girls. And I just thawed it out. Did you get it, Emily? Good job. Good job.
Cinda?
What? Oh, thank you, Sebi. Okay, that's good. Okay, and then boys, did you get a half a cup of crumbs? And girls, you can do, let me look, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Oh, you know what? Let me go get a you guys need half teaspoons, don't you? Okay, let me let me get them over on the cupboard here.
Hurry.
Okay. Okay,
Now
good.
stir it.
Sorry. Okay, put a half a teaspoon in. Okay,
2 of
Emily.
them.
Oh, you're stirring. Carter, you want to put a half a teaspoon in?
I can do it.
Okay.
I can do it.
Excuse me, Miss Cinda, what do I put in here?
Oh, you can let Emily do it. She's all excited about it. Okay, and then I'm going to give you guys each.
Miss Cinda.
This is the Tofuti better than sour cream. So that means this is a vegan sour cream.
Cinda, 1.
Yes, put 1. So a half teaspoon. And I'm going to give you guys each a half of this sour cream, okay? There you go. Okay, you're going to mix all this up really good, okay? And that's all it is for our filling, boys and girls. Isn't that easy? What?
Cinda.
Yeah, you're going to have to stir that really good.
Oops.
Okay, did you get 1 in? Did you put 1 of these in, Emily?
No.
Okay, put it in. 1. Good job. Okay, let's move this, okay?
I made a mess.
Oh, it's okay. We don't mind messes in Miss Cinda's kitchen because you know why? We have fun cleaning up, don't we? It's okay to make a mess. We just want to have fun. Oh, Carter put in a half a cup of our vegan Parmesan. Sebi put in a half a cup of our vegan Parmesan. Okay? You're going to need that, yes. Okay. We're done with the breadcrumbs. And, okay, we're almost ready to stuff them. We're almost ready.
I like the stuff.
You do? That sound fun?
Stuffy. Stuffy.
That sounds fun? Okay.
Can you do it?
Yes, put it in. And then we'll save our bowls here because we'll put a little bit on top, okay, when we're ready. Did you get it in, Sebi? Good job.
Is this yours?
Okay, let's mix up. And as soon as we get it all mixed up, then we're going to get to stuff them. Does that sound fun? I'll even move the recipe over here because you're going to want the room so that you can stuff your shells.
I just stuff them.
Oh, I'll show you.
Are we going to get our hands dirty?
You like to get your hands dirty? You know what? It's fun to get our hands dirty,
Miss
isn't it?
Cinda, is this good?
Oh, let me look. You know what? We might need this spoon. Let me do this. That's why I gave you guys some wooden spoons because they're real strong. Okay.
He's using a spatula.
Oh, look at that. We spilled a little bit. There we go. Okay, let me see, Sebi. Let's see here. Okay. I think yours is really good.
Miss Cinda, what do we use this spoon for?
That now you're going to take and you're going to use that and take a spoonful. I'll show you. And you're going to use that to stuff your shells. Okay, Emily, wait. We're not quite ready yet, honey. You're so excited about this, aren't you? Okay, here, Carter, let Miss Cinda do it with a wooden spoon, okay? There we go. We got to get yours ready. Oh, see all those breadcrumbs down there on the bottom? You want to get all that mixed up because otherwise your shells won't taste good. There we go, guys. So make sure, boys and girls, that you stir it up really. It is, isn't it? It is.
It sticks in my finger.
It does. There. So, boys and girls, make sure you get it mixed up really good. All right, Miss Emily, I'm going to show you how to stuff your shell now. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of sauce down. Like this.
That's a lot.
That's a lot, you think? Let me use your spatula. Because what I'll do, and boys and girls, what you want to do is you want to cover the bottom.
I don't have a spatula.
Oh, it's okay.
Use my spoon.
It's okay because Miss Cinda's going to do this, okay? See how I'm doing this? I'm covering the bottom with sauce, okay? Now, here's how you're going to do it, Emily. You're going to take your spoon. Can you see, boys and girls? You're going to take your spoon, open your... Whoa, you're not going to do that. There you go. Look it.
Take a shell.
And you're going to stuff it like that and get it nice. Just a minute, Emily. You're going to get it nice and stuffed like that. And then kind of put it together like that. And then we'll line them up in our casserole
mine
dish.
does not want to open.
It's okay. You're doing good. And then see, you can put it right here. You can make a roll. You can put a little bit more in. Be real careful when you're opening them, boys and girls, because they will tear. So be real careful when you open them, okay?
The one that I just did was teared already.
Oh, well, you know what? It'll be okay.
There's one inside.
Oh, that's okay. You can even leave it. Perfect. That's perfect, Sebi. Good job. Make sure you get all this in, see, like that, and bring this edge up here. See there? See how it kind of curved under for you? There you go. And you can add even more filling next time, okay? And look, we're lining them up in our pan. Good job, Carter. Good job. Don't these look yummy? And look, Emily, we're getting our hands dirty. Do you guys like to get your hands dirty too?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that means we're having fun, huh?
It won't come out.
Well, you know what? Here, Emily, you just kind of go like this, real careful. See how you can scoop it off like that and turn your spoon over and you can scoop it off like that. See? And you can add some more. That's our kitchen timer. We're almost out of time. Keep filling. And you know what, boys and girls? I'm going to show you what it looks like already baked. Because Ms. Cinda's made some, so you guys are going to get to try them. And then we'll bake yours too, okay?
Miss Cinda, look.
Carter, that's perfect. I love it. You can line it, you can put it in there with the other ones.
You eat it, please.
Oh, goodness. Look at this, guys.
Ooh.
Look, this is what you're making. Doesn't that look good? Oh, I'll set.
Right in the middle.
Oh, well, I'm going to set it on the stove right here because it's hot. And as soon as we finish getting this tray done, we'll put yours in the oven, and then I'll let you eat mine. What do you think? Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Boys and girls, does this look good to you? I can tell you they're really good. You're going to want to get your mommies and daddies or an adult to help you make these because these are so good. Are they fun to make too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, don't they look like little boats?
Yeah.
They're really big shells, but they look like boats to me. So I think fun.
That's funny.
I think we should call them stuffed boats.
Yeah.
What do you think?
That looks like funny right there. I lined them up.
That's good, Emily. Here you go. Here's one. Oh, good job. Good job. Oh, boys and girls, that's our kitchen timer. And you know what that means? That means we're all out of time today. Remember, boys and girls, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.